What's up, guys?
What's going on, bro? It's your future star racing guy right here, man. He's got the same bike. Everything's star racing with him. Bike and everything.
Yeah, this looks like a perfect fit. Look at that, look.
Just did a live feed with Fox Business Channel, but it was good. I mean, he showcased the championships that we've won, which is obviously an awesome attribute to this team, and talked a little bit about what we're going to do tomorrow and fans and all that sort of stuff. So no, it was very positive for sure.
Press went good. Eli was riding really good. Track-wise, we'll see. It's going to be pretty gnarly. Track will break down a lot. It's kind of like moon dust. I mean, it's wet right now, but it'll dry out quick. So we'll see tomorrow.
Things are good here. The vibes are good. I think everyone's happy to be at a dry Supercross, a new venue. It's really cool up here. The dirt's pretty different, but it's good. Challenging track, and Hayden's fast, but everyone else is fast. And as much as we'd like to have a runaway win, having a good tight race is fun for us. Fun. That's what we work for. Excited for tonight, man. 2 races left. We can get it done. Plan is to change the color of that background, but you know what? You don't have to have a red background to win a championship. You just have to have the most points at the end of the season. So not necessarily chasing the red plate, we're just chasing race wins and beating that guy with the red plate.
Dude, you can't, wait, rewind it. I need to watch it like 5 more times, like actually. Me? Yeah. Dude, outside. Where did Shock start? Go back to where Shock started.
Shock was next to him.
One movie.
One outside.
It's a movie.
Right next to Dax. Dax in yard zone.
Yeah, and then.
Okay, hold on. Keep watching.
Leave your gas on, Dax. So
okay, here he is. He might as well be in dead last.
Oh my God!
He wheelies again.
He went from last to 5th. That's mental. Well. That's unreal. This is top secret.
Yeah, boys are riding good today. Dax, after last weekend, was in a little bit of a slump, so it's good to see him pull out of that. He's riding really well. After first qualifier, we looked over some film, talked to him. You know, he made some mistakes, but they were easy to fix, and he went out and did it, fixed them. So he rode really well. I was happy with that. Nick's been crushing the whoops all day, so that's been awesome to see. And Hayden's doing what he's doing. So yeah, he's killing it, putting in good laps, just getting ready for the race, really. So yeah, everyone's riding good.
Interestingly enough, tonight the 450 guys go first for the heats, but last for the main event. So that always adds a challenge for track conditions, because you see it when it's brand new for the night show, and then don't see it till it's completely destroyed. So just gonna have to keep that in the back of our minds if we make any bike changes, but I don't see anything crazy happening with Coop. He's pretty happy. He's been riding good, and yeah, we'll just see where today brings us. I don't really give about the red plate until after Salt Lake City main event's over. If we have the points lead then we're talking money, so we're into that.
Philadelphia this weekend, all finished with qualifying. Free practice went good. Just kind of figuring out the track. It's got a couple of different options in one of the long lanes. First qualifier went smooth. We did a couple little changes here, just trying some different things from first qualifier to second qualifier, just to see if it helped on the track. The dirt's a little like, it's kind of strange. It's like a sandier mixture that's really dry, and it's getting pretty rough. Track's gonna break down a little bit, and we got our setup for the main, so we'll see how we do.
Because he's the best rider ever. And I got his number, so.
Yeah, first time here in Philly, obviously first time racing too, so yeah, new stadium's always cool. A lot of fans today, they're out in bunches, and yeah, so far it's been really cool. It's feeling pretty good today. Practice went really good. Have a good flow all day. Ended up P2 by I think like 1,000th of a second, so yeah, I feel really good, gelling with the track, and weather's holding out real good right now, so feeling good for the night show.
I'm feeling really good here in Philly. Practice is all finished up. I came in, I believe, 6th, which is doesn't sound as good for how as good as I feel. We tried some different things in practice, tried some different fork settings, so kind of feeling out the day, but I'm comfortable with what we have going into the evening, that we're going to be fine and ready to go. So overall, feel good and time to go get it. It has a really hard base. So it's a slick, but then also in the turns we have a couple of ruts, but overall there's like a hard base to it, and it kind of has a DG soil to it, to where it's kind of slick, a little bit of base with the combination of some ruts in the turns. So it's a technical surface. So last week at Nashville was the official St. Jude race, and then we had special gear, and the gear design actually came out of the ET3 coloring book. So the design was by the ET3 coloring book fans and kids. That's what we raced with at Nashville. So, and then I'm going to match that, whatever the jersey gets bid up to $10,000 for St. Jude. So it's a great cause, and it was really just a cool weekend for everyone involved.
Everyone else going to have to go through to the last chance qualifier, including Justin Cooper, one of the top rookies in the game, so he'll be up later just to make the main.
Yeah, I don't trust it until I'm really in the run. Like
Yeah, heat race was it was a good battle between me and Seth. It was pretty fun. Yeah, main event, we just got to go execute the start. That's my goal right now, is to execute the start, and we'll play it by ear.
Yeah, I think it's a start tonight. The tracks get really rutted up, so a start's going to be crucial. It's going to be a little hard to pass. You have to get aggressive. So, really good start, and yeah, just ride like myself, and it'll be a good night.
I was trying, but we were just... I didn't know that was last lap. I didn't sit there, bro. Bro, 5 of us battling to the last lap. Bro, that was it. Literally as hard as you can go to the last lap. Up the last finish, all 3 of us together. Oh, that was a dig. That was gnarly. I mean, I got pinched off on the start, so was mid-pack, and me and Vial were like this all the way up till 2nd and 3rd. I mean, last lap is when we got into 2nd and 3rd. It was a dig. we went over the finish. I think we're all within literally half a second. It was like, but it was gnarly. P3. That was good. We started the day good. You know, qualifying was good. We made a bike change during the week and like going back to my old setup. So I was pretty confident with that, and really it helped me a lot in my turns, and just I was a lot more confident in my bike this weekend. So yeah, after last weekend I had no choice to come get a good result. So I put my head down and that's what I did. So we worked on starts. Starts were good all day, and yeah, just gotta you know, find the pace. You know, I got to keep that pace during the end a little more. Got a little arm pump, but realistically I'm pretty happy with that. Got a couple gifts for a 4th, but even if, I mean 6th, I would have been happy with that too. So yeah, it was a good weekend.
Puts Webb down and steals 3rd. How close is 4th? Not close enough. And Cooper Webb coughs up a spot and 2 championship points in the last turn.
Yeah, it was a tough main event in Philly. All day was going pretty good. Qualified 2nd, got 2nd in the heat. Got a great start in the main. Was in 3rd, and then Eli, you know, was pretty. He laid over good for me. He was a good teammate, and got into 2nd and was riding really good. Felt like I had a good pace, and unfortunately, yeah, just got really bad arm pump again, and that was really it. Just went backwards, and there at the last turn was unfortunate, locking bars with Jason. But yeah, overall pretty dang bummed. But we'll definitely regroup this week and come back swinging. And like you said, in racing, you know, it's not over till it's over.
Practice went really well. I was really comfortable all day. Just yeah, got mixed up in some bad luck, I guess, in the heat race. So I was in a pile up. Had to go to the last chance qualifier. I feel like I rode the best I did all day in the LCQ, and yeah, main event had a terrible gate pick, and it was a tight first turn, so came out probably dead last because I tried to go to the inside and I just had to wait for everyone to go through. But from there, it was a tough track to pass on. Every time I tried to make a pass, I would get really close, but I wouldn't do it. So probably should have been more aggressive in the beginning, but it spread out a lot, so I just kind of took my time with it, and yeah, passed up to 10th. So that's all I could do tonight. Really would like some good starts. Can't seem to do it when it matters. So got to get them figured out, and 2 more rounds to go, and hopefully we can battle up front.
Yeah, I mean, all in all, it was a good day. It was a tough day. The guys rode good. Track was challenging. It was actually a really good racetrack. Unfortunately, we just didn't get the main event we really wanted, but you know what? We're going to keep battling, and got 2 races to go. Only 12 points out, so we'll keep pushing.